Where are we going? Hey! Cheeky man! Taylor, wave to Mummy. Oh, Taylor. What is it, Tay? Where are we, Sean?
That's the same one.
Where?
St. Maur's.
What do you think of it?
Beautiful. What do you think of it?
Beautiful.
That's two of us that think it's beautiful.
It is beautiful, I have to say. I'll just give you a bit of a tour. Beautiful.
It's not madly hot, I have to say, darling. Oh, I haven't got mine on.
The crabs are in the rock, aren't they, Dad?
What is it? Watch, it doesn't get me. Have you gone?
Oh yeah.
Ew, what's that?
Oh, you're there.
Keep an eye on him, Mum, don't you?
I was looking for you. Have you got anything to say to Mummy? Hey! Hey! Cheeky man! Where's Daddy going? Where? Oh, he's going to the water. Do you like it here? He's going where? Oh, where are you going? Be careful. Be careful. Wave hello to Mummy. Where are you going? Where?
Ew, have you actually got you? Oh, that's your bag on.
Do you want me to come and get you? Do you want me to get you? Hey? You want to go up there? Are you having a nice holiday? Are you having a nice time? Uh-oh. Do you want to hold Mummy's handy? Shout, Dad! Tell him to come and get you. Say, come here, Dad. Dad, come here.
Ah! Are we going up there? Okay.
Come on then. Tell him to come here. Shout him.
Dad!
Oh, you're so cheeky. Shout him again.
Dad!
What?
Dad!
Come on then.
Say, come here, Dad.
Come on, we can't play. Hang on. Goodbye. Up the steps.
Bye bye to Mummy.
Say bye to Mum.
Love you.
Up you go.
Watch the camera.
Got out to say.
I have.
Watch that car.
Oh.
Wave to mum.
Do you like your holiday?
Hello.
Pull Dad's ears.
Pull Dad's ears.
Pull Dad's ears.
Ow.
Pull them off.
He's looking at the flowers.
Pull his hair.
Tickle Daddy's hair.
Ah. Pick his nose.
Ow.
Pull his lips.
Where's his eyes? Where's Dad's eyes? Ow.
Pull his ears.
Where's his ears?
Oh. Head.
Where's Taylor's eyes?
Where's Taylor's nose?
Where's Taylor's nose?
Where's Taylor's ears? Beep beep.
Where's the boats? They're over here, aren't they?
Bye bye.